Wena wenzile everything but I won. I know I must just stick to law. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It is welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Malebo Ngobeni and I'm here with another bang of good news. So today it is the big day that we've all been waiting for, my family, my friends. Okay, before I start with this video, let me take you through this my journey. I started my articles in 2020 October at a small law firms. Some of you would remember my video when I was explaining the whole how I got to secure my articles. I then worked there for a period of 2 years plus 1 year. Remember, articles are like 2 years, but I decided to like stay for an extra year, not because I didn't want to leave, but you know, in this profession there are like opportunities, but you have to like have all the qualifications and experience in order for you to like bang another good job. And besides, without admission, guys, I don't want to lie, without admission, please don't get me wrong, there are quite a number of opportunities available, but I'm just looking at it like in my own ambition. Like, it's not what I would have preferred. We all have our own goals and we know where we want to go. Anyway, I signed my PVT contract in November 2020. Did my board examination around 2021. 2020. I only wrote 2 in 2021 and another 2 in 2022. There are 4 papers altogether. It is the wills and estate, it's ethics, it's bookkeeping, and what's the other one? It's civil procedure. So I wrote 2 first year and another 2 second year. You can only write to your board exams once you have done 6 months of articles, or once you have completed 6 months of law school, then you qualify to write the attorney's board exam. I worked for 2 years at this particular small law firm. I then decided to stay for an extra 1 year, meaning I've done now 3 years. I've done 2 years articles and 1 year extra professional experience in a legal industry. During towards the end of September, I just got a call from a reputable company. Called me for an interview. I just went for an interview. It was for advising, so I just went there for an interview. Okay, it was actually 2 interviews. Went there, I did my part, played my part, and I got the job, and that is where I'm employed now. And yo guys, all I can say is it's been a journey. It's been a long journey for me. I just felt like losing it all during the process, but then I remembered, no, I cannot give up now. I just cannot give up now. You know, he said he will finish what he has started in you, and once I've remembered those words, I then was able to stand up and pick up myself, and I just carried on with the journey. Application for admission is the stressful thing ever. I never thought it would be that stressful, but immediately when I got to that point, I felt like so overwhelmed, so stressed, because everything is done electronically, right? In Gauteng province, I know, Johannesburg and Pretoria, we are doing everything. It's called online. So you upload your documents online, your founding affidavit, supporting affidavit, your annexures, like everything must be in order. You understand the stress that I was going through. So I'm now employed, so I don't have all the time to upload everything just in time, because there are times wherein you can upload those particular documents. I think it's between 9 o'clock to like 3 p.m. if not mistaken. But then another stress is it in the role. That time I've invited people, because now you've gotten a court date. I've invited my family. They've now gotten leave days off at work. I've also gotten a day off at work. So now I have to make sure that that particular matter is enrolled at court. So today it is finally the day. I've just invited my family. I just wanted to keep it simple, and if ever I want a celebration, that is when I will invite all my friends, my family, and everyone to gather around and like celebrate this big day. I was a bit nervous, like I was very nervous when I got there. My counsel was not yet there, so I'd be calling him all the time, just checking where he is, calling everyone, checking where they are. Judges were satisfied with my papers and everything, but there was a little bit of an error when it comes to my draft order. Draft order is the one that you sign at the end of everything, where they confirm that now you are admitted. My matter was stood down for that particular moment, and the doctor fixed everything and then went back. I took an oath, and oath is basically where you confirm that you will uphold the law, you will be loyal, you know, this kind of, yeah, that is where I like it. And here we were basically called to come forward for the speech that they had prepared for us for the day, and those are the other candidates that were being admitted on the day. Well, the issue about this video being like this is because my mom is the one that was recording. Apologies.
Today, my colleague and I have declared you fit and proper persons, which alludes to the personal qualities of yourselves, in that you are a person of honesty and reliability. But unfortunately, this profession is constantly under attack almost on a daily basis, mostly for no good reasons, but unfortunately sometimes for good reasons. Each and every one of you has to do a little bit of contribution to ensure that you keep the good name of our profession and avoid it being constantly attacked for bad reasons. How does one do that? I implore you to read and reread the oath that you have taken today. Please engrave it in your heart. Always seek to uphold the Constitution of the Republic. I would like to add that, in my view, there are inter alia 4 pillars or principles on which our profession is grounded. One is honesty, integrity, accuracy, and hard work. Think about those 4. It is just about covers everything that is expected of you as a legal practitioner. If you uphold this principle, I promise you, you will not only benefit the profession, but you will make a success of your career. Never compromise. If you lose your honesty, integrity, you are down and out. In fact, you should be proud to uphold these principles. Mostly, I want to remind you that you also have other responsibilities that comes with this job. There are many, but for today, I just want to refer to only this one, which is your civil responsibility. You know by now that litigation is very expensive. Please think about those who are less fortunate, who cannot afford the lawyer's costs. Help them to have access to justice and vindicate their rights. I make a promise to you today that if you assist these less fortunate members of the public, you will find that you are not poor by 1 cent. Believe me when I tell you that. In fact, it will make you richer in so many ways. Today you have arrived you have the wings and you can fly sky high, depending on yourself. You will, as and when requested to do pro bono work to assist the less fortunate, please do so with the vigor it deserves. In closing, please uphold the tradition in terms of which your first salary or your paycheck goes to your loved ones, those who made it possible for you. Take care to jealously protect your good name, reputation, integrity. These qualities matter in this profession. Once you lose that, it's the end of the road. You are done enough. Good luck and Godspeed in your practice. As a gesture of thankfulness, you may turn around now and look at the face of those who supported you until now, and you will definitely continue to support you further, and you may then return to your seats.